Okay, this washing machine was making a strange noise whilst in cycle. First thing I done, check the filter, check that wasn't blocked with any muck or wire or anything. I checked inside the drum. I checked every single hole for any obstructions. Normally bra wires get in there. Couldn't see anything. Still a noise. So now I know there's something in between the outside of the drum and the plastic casing that holds the water in. So I had to dislodge it. So I come up with this. Poke a very long cable tie in between the drum and the plastic housing. Go all the way around. That's what I did. What was in there, I'm not sure what it was, probably a coin, has now become dislodged, probably in the bottom where the heater element is. And now, so this is a very long one, a bit of muck on there. Probably about 50 centimetres long, quite a long one. But now it's quiet. Hope it helps someone, thank you.